Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to send a file on Discord using your Android device. Whether you're sharing documents, images, or any other type of file, this updated method will have you sending files in no time. So let's get started. First, launch the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure to grab it from the Google Play Store. Once you've got it open, you'll want to navigate to the group or chat where you want to send the file. This could be a private message or a channel in a server. The choice is yours. Next, look for the plus icon in the text field at the bottom of your screen. It's usually located right next to where you type your messages. Give that a tap to open up the options menu. You'll see several choices here, but what you're looking for is the option labeled Files. Once you tap on Files, your device will prompt you to choose the file you want to send. This could be anything from a photo to a document, whatever you need to share. After selecting your desired file, simply tap Done. And just like that, your file is on its way. So, to recap, launch Discord, navigate to your chat, tap the plus icon, select Files, choose your file, and hit Done. It's that simple. Now you can easily share your files with friends or group members on Discord. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful guides. Happy chatting!